On this our special day, there's something I want to say. Forever come what may, I will do my best for you.
All who are gathered here bear witness to the love we share. Say I do and hold me dear, and I will do my best.
I'll do my best for our love.
I'll give my best to you. Now then, for the rest of my life, I will give my best to you.
I thank God for sending you a heart of gold and a love that's true.
And before the night is through, you will be a part of me. And if some rain should fall and troubles have our backs to the wall, true love will conquer all, and I will do the rest. I'll do my best for love. I'll give my best to you. Now and for the rest of my life, I will give my best. And when the years fade away and turn your hair to gray,
We'll still be in love this way.
I